Hi YouTube family, my name is Vicky and in today's video lab we will see how we can upgrade AWS CLI version on the Windows machine. One thing here, AWS CLI is not installed by default on the Windows machine, so we need to install it first. I have already created one of the video how we can install the AWS CLI on the Windows machine. You can go and watch that videos if you are not sure how to install the AWS CLI on the Windows machine. I will provide you the link in the description. In this video lab, we will understand how we can upgrade that AWS CLI version on the Windows machine. Let me go to my Windows machine. So this is my Windows machine. Let me open it and let me go to the PowerShell. If I'm going to check the version of the AWS CLI install on my machine, that is currently 1 point something. Let's wait for it to come. So 1.25 is installed on my machine, and what I need to do is I need to upgrade this version. So in order to upgrade this version, what I need to do is I need to run couple of commands. Not couple of command, it's a single command which I need to run. I will provide you this command in the description so that you can use this command to upgrade the AWS CLI version. Okay, I think the command is not properly copied. Let me go back and copy that command one more time. Okay, I'm not able to paste it. I'm not sure the reason. Let me open a notepad and see. Yes, it's not working, so seems there is some problem with my machine only. Let me copy it one more time. Yeah, it's working now. I don't know what exactly the problem was, but now I'm able to copy paste. So this is the command which we need to run from our PowerShell. Okay, I think there is some problem with my PowerShell session only. Let me open a new one. Wow, still I'm not able to copy paste. I don't know the reason. Now I'm able to. Finally, after a lot of attempts, I'm able to do that. Great, let me do that. So it is installing the AWS CLI version 2. So you can see AWS command line interface version 2. We need to accept the license agreement. Next, and install. We don't have to customize anything while installing this thing. And this is not going to take much time. The only thing which you need to take care after installing is you need to close the current open session of the PowerShell so that the changes will take effect. We are done. Now let me close this thing. Let me open it to PowerShell. Let me open the PowerShell, and here AWS. Now we have the latest AWS CLI version installed on our Windows machine. And if we want to remove this thing, what we can do is we can go to the control panel, we can go to the program and feature, or you can use the appwiz.cpl command. And here you have the AWS CLI version installed. You can uninstall it from here. Uninstalling will not take much time, but the only thing which you need to take care is that you need to close the current session of your PowerShell for the changes to take effect. So let me close this thing and wait for it to complete. It is not going to take much time, so I'm not going to pause the video. It is done. Now let me go to the PowerShell and let me run the command AWS --version. Now here it is showing me 1.25. So this is how you can upgrade the AWS CLI version. This is how you can remove the AWS CLI version. Again, I want to highlight one point here. AWS CLI is not installed on the Windows machine. We need to install it, and the command to install it is this. First we need to install the Python. For that we need to go to the python.org website. From there we need to install the Python, and then we need to run this pip install AWS CLI, because pip is one of the module which will install the AWS CLI. I have created one of the video. You can go and watch that video. There you will understand step by step how you can install the AWS CLI on the Windows machine. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe, share it with your friends. Thank you.